Welcome to the Index channel, your portal to quality insights in various fields. Today, we're delving into Excel's if function using 5 top quality YouTube videos. No more endless searches, let's dive in and boost your Excel skills. Let's kick off with the Kevin Stratvert channel, where the core Excel if function is broken down simply and clearly.
Hi everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I want to show you how you can use the if function in Microsoft Excel. So how do we get started with the if function? Well, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click on this little insert function icon up here on the toolbar in Excel. This way we can insert a function. So let's go ahead and click on that. And now what we want to do is we're going to simply type in if. We're going to search for the function and click on go. And what will happen is you'll see I want to do is logical test. It's basically checking what is my criteria. So what I'm going to do is I want to say, well, let's see if the actual was less than the budget amount. And so here in this case, you'll see that it says true. 525 is less than 600.
This content is sourced from the Kevin Stratvert channel, which boasts a subscriber count exceeding 2,400,000. The original video has a duration of approximately 6 minutes. On to our second tutorial, focusing on Excel's if formula. This time, we explore the Leila Gharani YouTube channel. The chosen video is a guide on harnessing Excel's if function. It showcases diverse examples, spanning from simple if functions to leveraging and/or logical tests, and nested if formulas to assess multiple criteria. The method of explanation, coupled with illustrative examples, captivates attention and ensures seamless comprehension.
Today's video is about Excel's if function. How can we use it alone? How do we know if we need more than one if? And how can we combine it with other logical? For the first case, I need to mark apps with the word good if the revenue is above 15,000. So we're going to start off with if. The first argument is our logical test. Okay, so situations like this call for the AND function inside the if function and allows us to do a logical test for more than one thing. And in this case, we have 2 things to check for. So we're still going to start off with our if, but right here, before we start typing in...
This content is sourced from the Leila Gharani channel, which has garnered an impressive 2,380,000 subscribers. The original video has a runtime of approximately 15 minutes. Next, in our third if formula tutorial for Excel, we venture into the world of the Excel Campus, John YouTube channel. The chosen video offers an exhaustive exploration of fundamental techniques to employ the if function for creating condition-based formulas. This tutorial encompasses logical tests, comparison operators, nested if formulas, working with multiple conditions using and/or functions, and addressing prevalent formula errors.
The if function is one of the most important formulas to learn in Excel. It can help us with comparing data, performing lookups to group data, and even making your reports interact. Let's look at criteria here. So we can also use if for this, and we'll also look at some alternatives because, as we'll see, if can get a bit challenging, and we call these nested ifs. So we'll start with our first if, so we'll type if, we'll tab into that. And for our logical test, and finally I want to talk about the most common errors that you might encounter, and that happens with your logical test. So we'll go over to this logical test errors sheet. And here I have a few different logical tests, mostly based on data types. So as you can see,
the content originates from the Excel Campus, John channel, which boasts a strong following of 524,000 subscribers. The original video carries a runtime of approximately 18 minutes. In our next exploration, we pivot to the Technology for Teachers and Students YouTube channel, centering on the if formula within Excel. This concise yet lucid video tutorial equips you with actionable insights for mastering the if function.
Is because the if function allows us as Excel users to basically put in some programming into our Excel spreadsheets. Now it's not exactly programming, but it is quite similar to some simple programming. Just type equals to begin writing a formula. Then I type if, and the reason I said that this is kind of like programming an Excel spreadsheet is because it reminds me of my days of learning BASIC. I don't know if anyone else learned to program in BASIC as a young person in school, but I did, and I remember the if-then statement.
Hailing from the Technology for Teachers and Students channel, with an impressive community of 1,300,000 subscribers, this video holds a concise runtime of about 6 minutes. For our final installment, we shift our focus to the Teachers Tech YouTube channel, where the realm of the if formula in Excel is explored anew. With their signature academic approach, this video extends the legacy of simplicity and comprehension. Just as in previous sequences, you're guided through the if function with ease, empowering you to wield Excel's power effortlessly.
I'm just doing the two things. So the next thing that I want it to be is this number, this cell, is going to be below this cell right here. So I'm going to fix that again with F. We're going to move to our last one here in today's example. And in this case, what's going to happen is it's going to check for that first if, what I just did right here. It's going to check to find that number between 700 and 1200 and saying doing.
Emerging from the Teachers Tech channel, which thrives with a robust subscriber base of 845,000, this video encapsulates a comprehensive session within its 12-minute runtime. Immerse yourself in the expertise crafted for educators and learners, as we unravel the Excel if formula's essence.